Today, Mom will make pasta with cherry tomatoes, garlic, and basil. Watch the Ready Another recipe like this. Stick around and you will see a couple of new ideas to make this dish even better. The first thing you have to do is cutting in half your red cherry tomatoes. We reserve the yellow tomatoes for later. Crunch the garlic clove with the palm of your hand. That makes it easier to remove its skin and then to chop it. In Tony's home, we like to use it whole rather than chopped to avoid overpowering the flavor of the other ingredients. But if you are a garlic lover, chop it or slice it and by all means double the dose, if that's what you like. Chop a fresh chili pepper,
Non è forte.
which you can replace with chili powder. Put a thin drizzle of oil and the whole cherry tomatoes in the pan, adding sugar and salt. We chose yellow cherry tomatoes for this step. It will make the dish look more colorful with a nice contrast between red and yellow tomatoes. We are trying to imitate the preparation of tomatoes confit without an oven. But this can work only if you cook at low heat. We don't want the tomatoes to burst.
Pasticcio della giornata. Ecco, la macchia.
Add some more salt and sugar, tasting occasionally. These tomatoes will add more flavor nuances and textures to our dish, and this is the first idea to make it special. You see how these tomatoes will look like? They are shriveled up, and there is a brownish edge from the caramelized sugar.
Super hot, super good. Non mi pulite la padella, Qui c'è tutto il buono. Però togliete le parti di zucchero più grosse, altrimenti diventano amare. I on the fire in medium heat.
It's here where your garlicky nature may differ from ours.
Garlic.
Put as much chopped garlic as you like. When you can smell its aroma, add those beautiful red cherry tomatoes with the chili pepper.
Ragazzi, l'odore è buonissimo!
Mom, you are so embarrassing.
L'odore è buonissimo comunque.
Add some salt.
Adesso aggiungo un po' di acqua, meglio calda se ce l'avete, così si creerà un po' di sughetto. Il sughetto è pronto, è diventato bello denso. Lo spengo, assaggiamolo. Buono, piccantino.
Let's cook the pasta the Italian way. Hot boiling water, salt, pasta in.
I put the linguine inside the sauce when the pasta is hard.
You could drain the pasta a couple of minutes before al dente, but you can do as Mom is showing. The pasta is still hard, and you keep cooking it inside the sauce, adding some starch-rich pasta water if it's getting too dry, until the pasta is al dente. This way of cooking will let the sauce really cling on the pasta.
Ci vuole un po' di sale. Il sughetto non c'è più, quindi ci aggiungo giusto un pochettino di acqua. Così, un goccettino. Perfetto, spengo tutto.
After turning off the heat, keep mixing for a minute. While the pasta is slowly cooling down, the sauce will become more creamy.
I make il ricotta.
And now, the second idea to make this dish phenomenal, we can use ricotta to make a texture super smooth and creamy. Melt the ricotta with some of the hot pasta water and pour it in the pan. Do this step quickly. We don't want a cold pasta, do we? Let's complete the dish. Basil leaves which you will tear with your hands. Don't use a knife.
Che buon profumo.
The caramelized tomatoes, a quick stirring, and ready! If you like the sauce a bit more runny, add some pasta water before serving.
Siamo pronti per il magna magna, ma prima mangiamo con gli occhi, impiattiamo.
Whoa, that sound makes me drool. Subscribe and smash the bell button to receive all our updates. See you in the next episode of Tony's Home, where every day is a sunny day.